how to find new posts from hashtags, notifications, settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find new posts from hashtags, notifications, settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now just click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and here you will find it. All you need to do, just turn it off or on or anything you want, and then just go back, it will be saved, and that's it.
And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.